Well, speaking of important states going to polls, shifting focus now from Jammu and Kashmir to the politics in Haryana, and former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda has spoken to CNN News 18 about the elections and also the growing rift within the Haryana Congress unit, addressing all concerns around Kumari Selja being upset and miffed with the party's decision. He has clarified that Kumari Selja will not leave the party. In fact, he said that anyone can become the chief minister, but they have to, or that person will have to get the support from the MLAs. So that's a very important point that Mr. Bhupinder Singh Hooda has said. Let's listen in.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिस तरीके से प्रचार प्रसार कर रही है वो साफ तौर पे कह रहे हैं कि दलित विरोधी मानसिकता है, विचारधारा है कांग्रेस की
है। कांग्रेस तो है ही दलितों की पार्टी। रिजर्वेशन कांग्रेस ने दिया है, संविधान ने दिया। संविधान में सब कांग्रेस के नेता थे जो स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे। उसमें से एक मेरे पिताजी भी थे जिस संविधान में रिजर्वेशन पे दस्तखत कर रखे हैं। ये कोई बात किसने दिए रिजर्वेशन?
अमित शाह जी कह रहे थे कि जिस तरीके से अशोक तंवर के साथ सही नहीं हुआ, कुमारी शैलजा के साथ सही नहीं हुआ।
अपने आप ही कहानियां कर रहे हैं किसके साथ क्या हुआ। कोई अगर स्वार्थ में जाता है तो स्वार्थ में चले, भारतीय जनता पार्टी में चले गए तो सही नहीं हुआ। ये कहने वाली बातें हैं। और शैलजा तो हमारी नेता है, ठीक है।
मनोहर लाल खट्टर ने कहा कि शैलजा ज्वाइन करने वाली है। कल शैलजा जी से बात की, उन्होंने कहा आखिरी दम तक कांग्रेस में रहूंगी।
तो कोई औचित्य थोड़ा इस बात में। आज मैं कह दूं मनोहर लाल खट्टर बीजेपी में आ जाए, उसका क्या औचित्य है? उनको बोलने से, बात करने से पहले किसके लिए कह रहे हो आप? कौन से वरिष्ठ नेता के लिए कह रहे हो?
साहब, आपको नहीं लगता कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी कुमारी शैलजा की खामोशी का फायदा उठा रही थी?
कोई खामोशी नहीं है। शैलजा जी उसका प्रचार कर रहे हैं, सभी प्रचार कर रहे हैं। जो भी कांग्रेस में आस्था रखता है, नीचे से लेकर ऊपर नेता कांग्रेस में प्रचार करते हैं।
Okay, so you have the former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda playing down the rumours of supposed internal rift within the Congress party. But let's go straight across now to Pallavi Ghosh for the very latest on this. Pallavi, so the former Chief Minister playing down the reports of factionalism, saying ye to afwahein hain, kahaniyan hai, the party is very much united. But it's very interesting that he does have the support of most of the MLAs. He's saying ki jo Mukhyamantri banega, jo Chief Minister banega, that person will have to have the maximum MLAs, which is evident that he is the one who's also harboring those aspirations.
Absolutely, Avantika. Isharo me, I think he's got his point across, because with 80% of the tickets being distributed to his people, it's very clear where most of the MLAs are going to be coming from. So when that CLP meeting takes place, in case the Congress party wins in Haryana, clearly most of the MLAs will strongly pitch for Bhupinder Singh Hooda, which is why the Congress party finds it very difficult to ignore him. But I think tomorrow is going to be a very important day. Tomorrow is when Rahul Gandhi is going to be campaigning for the first time ever in Haryana. And especially in the backdrop of this infighting we are seeing, is he going to try and ensure that, all the warring parties are going to be on the same stage? Avantika, tomorrow is also the day when, Kumari Selja is going to begin her campaigning. So that is also going to be interesting. If Kumari Selja, Bhupinder Hooda, Randeep Surjewala share the stage with Rahul Gandhi, Rahul will try to send out a message that there are no differences, but these could be just cosmetic perception which he's trying to push forward. Beneath it, you and I both know that all is clearly not well. Knives are likely to be out in case the results go in favor of the Congress party.
But that's going to be a sight to see if indeed it happens to have all of them sharing stage with Rahul Gandhi and Isharo Mei also. Pallavi, best wishes to you. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's shift our focus now.